Hey everyone, it's me Megs, and I am back with another hair care video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I deep condition my hair on dry hair, and I've been doing this for years. And I want to say thank you so much to iHerb for collaborating with me on this video. You guys know how much I love iHerb. This video, I'm going to share with you guys how I deep condition my hair on dry hair to save time. And I normally do this prior to shampooing or prior to co-washing because it saves time in the shower, so you won't have to do 2 rounds in the shower of rinsing. So I want to share with you guys the stuff that I actually did get from iHerb to deep condition my hair on dry hair with, and to explain a little bit more about what iHerb is if you guys are not familiar. So yes, you guys, if you're a long watcher of my channel, you know how I feel about iHerb. iHerb is really near and dear to my hair care heart because I get everything I need on there for my hair care as well as wellness. So they have a wide selection of great quality products, especially beauty products on there and wellness. So there's a large selection of pretty much everything that you would need on one website. And what's really nice is that they're always updating their website and adding something new on there. So it's really fun to just browse here and there and just see what you can find, because I found a lot of products that were really hard for me to find in store and I found actually on iHerb. And you deserve that quality experience of finding everything that you need on one website. I will say that. And it just makes everything so convenient because it's also easy to navigate website, which is why I love iHerb as well. I'm not lying when I say iHerb is the real deal, because they carry thousands of self-care products and beauty products, and they ship to over 150 countries. So it's something on there for everyone that they can get shipped right to their home. Yeah, so it's really nice because I know I have a lot of international viewers here on my channel and always ask me about products and how they can get it to where they are. So they have products from Korea, Japan, Australia, New Zealand, Finland, the UAE, and K-Beauty and J-Beauty products on the website. So there's pretty much everything that you could ever imagine that you would want as far as beauty on iHerb. So go ahead and check out the link that I have in the description below for you guys to, you know, browse around and see what you can find on there, and let me know if you have used iHerb yourself and what you love about it, because what I love about it is that my shipping is really fast and my packages always arrive well packaged. Nothing has ever leaked on me, nothing has ever came damaged. So I really love that iHerb puts an extra love and care on my products and making sure that they arrive to me, you know, in tip-top shape for me to use. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you guys what I actually got from iHerb before I get into the tutorial, so you know what I'm using. So yeah, like I said before, I get all of my essential oils and carrier oils from iHerb. They have a large selection of oils on there for your DIY treatments or just aromatherapy, whatever you want to use your essential oils and carrier oils for. So I did get a 4 ounce of the Shea nut oil, and this is a moisturizing oil from Now Solutions. Love, love, love this oil. And I also did pick up a jojoba oil. This is also a moisturizing oil, and this is also in the 4 ounce. They do have other sizes on the website, but I just prefer to get like a small ounce that I could, you know, pack and carry with me whenever we're allowed to, you know, go somewhere. What I also really love about iHerb is that I can find products on there that I have a hard time finding. Like a couple weeks ago, I did buy some Neutrogena Triple Moisture. Is that the correct name of the conditioner? I found that on iHerb. I posted about it here on my channel as well. So I really love that on iHerb I can find products that I have a hard time finding on any other website and even in store. I also did pick up the Nexxus Keraphix, and this is the protein fusion with keratin, protein, and black rice, and this is damage healing. And this is actually the conditioner, so I was really excited to try this out because I was looking for something with a bit more protein, as I'm trying to kind of like, you know, get my hair back together because I am chemically treated now with a relaxer, so you tend to need some more protein. So I picked this up, and this is what I'm actually going to be deep conditioning my hair with today. And I got the matching shampoo. And I also got the Nexxus Humectress, which I am not new to. I've been using this actually since 2010, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Also picked up the Nexxus Humectress Luxe. This is a lightweight conditioning mist, and I actually purchased this for when I blow my hair out and flat iron it. So yeah, I'm really excited to see how this works on my hair. Okay, so now on to the deep conditioning. I am going to use the Keraphix Damage Healing Conditioner, the Protein Fusion with Creatine Protein and Black Rice. And this says for severely damaged hair. And I like products that say that because I know that's what I need to be using. You get what I'm saying? So I like to look for products that say for dry hair or for damaged hair or for this or for that. So it lets me know how I need to use it. And so me knowing that I need more protein within my routine to get my hair stronger and to help me retain length, because I am chemically treated now with my relaxed hair, it just makes things a lot easier. Okay, you guys, so ignore my broken nail. I'm getting them done soon. So I'm actually going to place the conditioner in here because, you know, I'm actually gonna put some oils in here because that's what I love doing. So I put quite a bit of conditioner in this little bowl here. So I have about this much in the bowl here, and I am gonna add the jojoba oil, probably about like a quarter size, because I don't want to mix too much in here at a time. So if I have to like pour more in here and mix more oil, that's totally fine. I am going to add some rosemary oil to this, and this is something that I already had. And of course I got it from iHerb, so if you need essential oils, check out iHerb for that. So the rosemary is really good for stimulating the scalp, creating a healthy scalp environment for healthy hair to grow. So I put about 6 drops of that in here. I am going to take the Shea nut oil and I'm going to apply about a quarter size in here also. And now that I look at this, I think I'm going to add a little more conditioner to this. Because I'm going to mix it all up with an applicator brush. I did put about a quarter size of the jojoba oil and about a quarter size of the Shea nut oil, and I put about 6 drops of rosemary. And I'm just going to mix this up like this. Okay, so now I have my hair in the sections, and I'm just going to make sure I detangle my hair to make sure there isn't any tangles or anything. Deep conditioning on dry hair is just extremely convenient if you're really busy or work out. I've been working out like the minimum 3 times a week. And if you're just super busy and you don't have the time to deep condition all in one day, say for example, if you shampooed your hair one day, like the day before or the night before, and then the following day you might deep condition your hair like this. Or if you work out, you might want to deep condition your hair first, work out, and then when you're done with the workout, shampoo your hair out and your hair is already conditioned and it feels great. Deep conditioning on dry hair has been really beneficial to me throughout the years, but I also want to make sure that you guys are clarifying on a regular basis, because this isn't really going to have the same effect if you have tons and tons of buildup on your hair. So what I did was, because I have been working out at home pretty often and I sweat in my scalp, so this is really good for me because it just saves time in the shower. So yesterday I worked out and I did shampoo my hair. I clarified my hair yesterday, so I didn't really have the time to deep condition that same night. So I'm doing it today, and my hair is already pretty much clean and my scalp is clean, because you really don't want to deep condition your hair when it's like crazy dirty. I just want to let y'all know that you don't want to do it when it has a lot of buildup, a lot of gunk in it. So I am going to use some rose water, which I did get from iHerb also. So I'm going to have my hair kind of damp, not wet. So the difference between deep conditioning your hair on wet and dry hair, I feel like the conditioner is able to penetrate the hair better and to really get that hair like really conditioned, and it just feels way softer when I do my hair like this. So I'm gonna do my hair in sections. I'm about 8 weeks post relaxer, so I have about a nice amount of new growth. So I'm just gonna take the applicator and just apply it to my hand, rub it together, and make sure that I start kind of like at the root area. So when you deep condition on dry hair, you're gonna notice that it's not gonna sit on top of your hair as like conditioner would when your hair is wet. It's actually gonna like really penetrate and go into the hair. So it's gonna look a lot different. You're gonna like probably wonder like, well, is it on there? Yes, it's on there. I love doing this. It just saves me so much time and it makes my hair feel so good. So I'm just gonna split my hair within the section, use the applicator, and just get the roots. I've been deep conditioning my hair like this for years and it works. Because I want to make sure I get that new growth and really just kind of pull the conditioner down. Part the next section. So I love applying the conditioner like this because I'm trying to like really baby the new hair coming in, because there isn't really much that I could do with the existing hair that I'm trying to grow out, because the new hair is going to be the healthiest. So I want to make sure that I get that hair really nice and conditioned. So that's why I really pay attention to the new growth coming in, making sure that's nice and healthy and thick coming in. And also apply conditioner to the rest of the hair, including my ends, to help with retain my length. And do this section, this last section. Just put that bunch in here, rub it together, and really get my ends. So this section is done, you guys, and it smells so good. I'm gonna put some all on the perimeter of my parts. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pin this section up because I'm done with that and work on the next section. So when I'm deep conditioning, I always split the section in half because you can see like the inside didn't have any conditioner on it. So I want to make sure that I get the conditioner on all of the hair so I can make sure that's nice and conditioned also. And sometimes I can be a little bit heavy-handed, but that's okay. And I cannot wait to get a trim, you guys. I'm getting a real trim. So this is completed and on. So what I do to finish off, I just put a little bit more into my hands. And make sure I get the ends, because the ends is the oldest and driest part. Smooth that on out, and I'm just going to twist this up. So in total I have 3 sections. Right before I put my plastic cap on, I'm just going to apply the remaining amount that's in here to my edges and hairlines. So I know I'll get a lot of questions on, oh, how do you know, maintain edges, or to get healthier edges. And I just put the last bit on here, and it may look like a lot because it kind of is, because I want to use up what I have mixed. So you put that remaining there and put the last bit on my nape. And as far as a review about this conditioner, my hair already feels good. That's how I know a conditioner is good, when I'm applying the conditioner to my hair and I already feel my hair kind of like reacting to the conditioner. That's when you know that, okay, this is gonna do my hair some good. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take a plastic cap, and I'm actually gonna apply some heat to this for my deep condition. So I'm gonna sit underneath a hooded cap for about 15 minutes and eat, and I'm going to actually rinse this out, and I'm going to be right back. So I rinsed the conditioner out and did a quick shampoo in the shower. I had very minimum shedding, which is a big plus because that's something that I was dealing with. And so I am really digging this conditioner. and shampoo together really did its thing for my hair, so I can see myself definitely continuing to use that. So I did put some leave-in conditioner in my hair, some moisturizer, and sealed my hair, and I decided to do a protective style for the house. Since we are still social distancing, I want to make sure I keep my hair nice and protected and moisturized with a easy peasy, protective style for the house. So to finish it off, I am going to apply a little bit of jojoba oil to my ends just for some extra protection and sealing for my ends and hair. And jojoba oil is just really my favorite oil to begin with. It just does my hair wonders. Like, my hair loves it. Like, when your hair loves something, you just continue to use it. So that's definitely what I felt with this conditioner and shampoo with, my whole routine. And I'm going to continue using everything that you guys seen here in this video. So if you guys do have any questions, feel free to ask me, and everything I used will be down in the description below, as well as a link to iHerb. And I'll see you guys later.